Hi everyone. Today is the 19th day of 30 days new word learning challenge. So in this challenge series, I daily bring the some new word for you that will be really help to become the fluent speaker, English speaker, and it make your speaking way advanced because all word is advanced word. For example, first word is streamline. Streamline means make a process simpler and faster. So wherever you want us to say make the process simpler and faster, use the one word streamline. For example, it helps streamline works. Another example, streamline the workflow. Another example, tools help the streamline work. It means tools help the process the simpler and the faster. So you can use the streamline in that way. Next, frogging. Frogging means creating or building something. For example, team is frogging success. She is frogging her career. Or another example, we are frogging partnerships. It means building the partnerships. I listened this word in news where the anchor was explaining two people are trying to frogging the fake report. Next next word is impropriety. Impropriety means behave that is not appropriate or proper towards anyone, society, individual, or the any respected place. So in that condition you can use the impropriety. Impropriety, avoid the any impropriety. It was seen as a social impropriety. As I told, you can use that as social impropriety, individual, any respected towards any respected thing, impropriety thing. That places you can use. For example, this behavior shows the impropriety. I listened this word where the anchor was explaining that desecrating the religious place is the impropriety. Desecrating means disrespecting. I study explained this word meaning. Next word is fostering. Fostering means encouraging or helping something to grow, develop, or to improve. For example, teacher are fostering good habits. Means teacher are encouraging the people, encouraging the students for the good habits. In that condition, parents are fostering confidence. Yeah, school promotes the fostering creativity. So you can use this is also advanced word because I listen this word many times, but I never mentioned. Today I thought to let's mention this word also because a little bit advanced and it's used frequently by the people. Next, scalable. Scalable meaning is can grow easily when needed. So scalable means it's expandable in the simple term. For example, this system is scalable. Another example, the app is highly scalable. Make it scalable. So this scalable word used in the corporate office very frequently during the discussion of the project because people generally talk about the design document or the any other plan. So make it scalable means make it easy to grow in for the future. So that places you can use the scalable. Next, insights. Insights means deep understanding. For example, I got the useful insights about this idea. Yeah, any data things. So at that places you can use the insight. For example, data provides insights. Means data provides a deep understanding about the any task or any plan or anything which the generally you are talking about the some calculating things or analyzing things. That places data importance is very high. So in that sense you can use the data. Data provides insights. Share your insights thoughts or your insights research, and this way you can also use the insights word. Insight is it is not the advanced word but it's a very formal word. So thank you for watching. So these are the all word and try to use these all word one by one and try to make you your own sentence. That will be really helpful for it. because these all mentioned example are mine one, it's not yours. So you also try to make the your own sentence. So when you try to make the own sentence, that time definitely you get the little bit difficulty, but with time you will able to be fluent to create the example for the help of this word. So it will be really helpful. Thank you for watching.